Hello. I want to go over some functionality added to our Vicinity 4.52 release, which is our September 30th, 2025 release. Specifically, this new feature is related to the project entry screen, which is a screen used primarily by R&D chemists or nutritionists as they create new formulas, or if you want to compare formulas against each other. It's part of a screen we call project entry. And its primary purpose is kind of start to replace a lab notebook that was traditionally fairly manual in nature, and provides some feature functionality for comparing components, lab calculations, i.e. nutritional panels, etc. So if you're not using this tool, you may want to give it some consideration. It's a pretty handy little tool. Basically, you set up a project ID. You can have as many iterations of this project as you want, with some notes associated with why are we doing this, what does the customer want, some things like that. But the lion's share of this is really built around a concept called trials. Trials are things we want to compare against each other. So in this case, I'm comparing two different formulas against each other. We can actually see the versions as well. So I want to compare these two formulas or formula versions against each other. Now, the formula is called trial components. This is a list of all the ingredients that is in, it's a union of all the ingredients in this and a union of all the ingredients in this formulation. So you're going to see some scenarios, this is for the first line, first formula, this is for the second one. You're going to see some scenarios where an item is in one formula but not the other. You're going to see scenarios where they're in both, etc. This has been around for a while. If you're not using it and you create new formulations, you might want to take a look at it. The new feature is in organizing and ordering these ingredients as part of the trial process. So, for example, right now it's looking at the union of them, so it's basically just putting them up here in alphabetical order. But there may be, as part of the commercialization process and the testing process, that you want to have your components in a specific order. We want to add all our dry ingredients and then add our wet ingredients as an example, or vice versa. So what we've added are these buttons here under the trial components section on the ribbon bar that allows me to take a line and just move it up or down. This is the same functionality you see in formula entry itself, but it gives us the ability to kind of control where they're showing on this formulation or on this worksheet. The reason this is important is that once we move along and get this trial to where we want to start commercializing it, you may actually want to print a document, i.e. print a batch ticket or print a report for somebody to review, or maybe you want to go and create a batch ticket from this trial, and you're going to want it in a specific order. So the whole idea behind this is helping get the information from the user that's entering it into the system in the way that they want it, and then be able to present it to other users. This order becomes important for that test batch, but it can also be important that if we get through commercialization, we haven't made any changes, and we want to elevate this trial to an actual formula, it'll also keep that ordering position as well. So a nice little feature that was requested during our user conference focus, and we were happy to deliver on it. So let us know if there's anything like this that might be able to help you in your operations, and we're happy to give it some consideration and hopefully add it. So look forward to talking with you in the near future. Thanks a lot and have a great day.